Which is nice, no limping. Just needs a good wipe down, and the new grain system is up. What, are you going to be on barn duty tonight? Hey? What's up, buddy? And Tipper's got new bandages. Okay, what are the rules here?
So, in this one, we have to fire at each other's, and if it lands right here, and they, like, these shoot, let's just say these shoot bombs, and if it landed here, all these tanks would be dead. So the planes can kill any amount of guys.
What?
Yeah.
I feel like this game is rigged, guys.
Taking your airplanes. Ah, darn it.
Boom! I'm gonna take you. And I'm gonna take you.
Durr.
Thanks.
Submarine time.
I feel like that was not the rule we came up with. I think this kid is cheating. Ember! Did you give us 2 babies? Yeah? You did? Okay, now I gotta try and get you in the pen here. Perfect. These two are always super curious about the lambs. Hi, what are you doing in here? Freya! What on earth, lady? Why? Kids are sleeping right now, so I am just sitting down. I did some reading on different types of hay that's ideal for sheep. We've got a good supplier for the horses and the cows, and they're really close, but the hay just isn't cutting it for the sheep this year. So I'm really hoping to find somebody who does large rounds. The people we get our small squares from for the lambing stalls, that hay is really, really good, but they don't do rounds. We have too many sheep to be feeding the small squares, so that it kind of is what it is. I did message her and I was like, you should make rounds because the sheep love your hay. Like they break into the stall where the bales are, and they try to break into the stalls, the lambing stalls, because they know the good hay is in there and it's like super tasty. I am kind of also hoping that maybe we can find somebody who's got some oatlage, or a couple bales that have higher alfalfa content in them that we can just toss out right now, just to kind of even out their protein that they need. You good, Mama Ember? She was just laying out here, not responding. Sis, come here. Sis, with her eyes half open. Not cool. Oh my gosh, I got all the way out here before she opened her eyes and looked at me. It didn't even look like she was breathing. I was just about to panic. Oh, the babies are exploring. Yay! We have 4 ewes left to lamb, hoping that they go in the next day because we have an Arctic front coming in. It's easier on the lambs to go when it's 0 degrees out. They've got a lot more time to get up on their feet and nurse. Bunch of lazy bones. Willow. Sis. Girls. Judah. And Tally. You got triplets in there or just 2 really big ones? Twins or triplets? What's everybody think? Good night, girls.